We're going to demonstrate local variables using the simple but nonsensical function called foo. Foo has been defined with three local variables, the integer a, b, and c, as well as having an input parameter, the integer x. Input parameters in C are handled as local variables. You will notice that this project is in a debug session, as indicated by the presence of the debug icons, and the debug session is paused at the second no-op instruction. To open the variables window, we go to Window, Debugging, and Variables. The variable window will open in the lower right-hand corner of the output window pane. On the left-hand side of the variables window, you will find three icons which control the look and feel of the variables window. The topmost icon selects which local variables will be displayed. The middle icon enables or disables watches from being displayed in the variables window. If watches are enabled, the lower button selects which watch to show in the variables window. The variables window has opened up, indicating that only local variables near the program counter should be displayed. That is, variables that are accessed at the current program counter location and the immediate previous instruction. In this case, since we are executing a no-op and we had previously executed a no-op, no variables will be displayed in the variables window. As we begin the single step through the program, we will see variables added to the variables window. First, the variable a. Then the variables a and b, because a and b would have been the two variables located near the program counter. Finally, we will add the variable c. By hitting the top button, we are able to change the mode to display all the local variables, including the input parameter. To display watches in the variables window, you must first enable watches by hitting the center button. You will know that this button has been pushed by the display of the Enter New Watch in the variables window. To add a particular watch, either select the lower button or right-click in the variables window and enter New Watch. We will now add SFR lat A to the variables window. You will notice that watches, when added to the variables window, will be displayed with a blue diamond rather than a green square. With a watch added to the variables window, we can now step through the program and observe the changes. First in the local variable C, and then in the watch lat A.